up, guys? We're back at the Alabama Hills for another epic weekend of camping. It's been fun so far. We've eaten a lot of food. We've hiked around, rode our mini bikes, and had a lot of fun so far.
Yep, it's right outside of this town called Lone Pine off the 395. It's a really cool spot, and camping here is free. It's recreational land owned by the government, and you camp here for 2 weeks, so 14 days. Anyways, it's really cool when you're here. It feels like you're on a different planet. You're on Mars, you're everywhere. And they film so many films here, so you see all the desert stuff all the time. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
This is definitely one of our favorite spots. I mean, being cooped up in quarantine for at least 3 months, gotta get out and do stuff like this. So smash that like button, guys. Remember to subscribe for our latest content, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yep. So we're gonna show you some fishing, we're gonna show you some hiking, and we're also gonna show you everywhere around the Alabama Hills and show you everything that you're supposed to see around here. But guys, thanks for watching, and continue on. Alabama Hills is a cool place to visit. Yeah. We're here, the Alabama Hills, just hanging out. The gang's all here. Yeah, guys.
What's up?
It's a pretty cool rock when you go through and under there.
Yeah.
It's like the Indiana Jones rock.
Yeah, there's so many places to climb and just go through rocks and stuff.
The land is massive around here, guys. You love coming here. You can bring your ATVs, dirt bikes, anything, and no one's gonna bother you here, really. If you're into geology or anything like that, this is like the mecca of it here. So many cool rocks and so much history here, and a lot of cool places out in Lone Pine. So this is actually a really cool stop, especially if you're going to Mammoth or Lake Tahoe or Northern California. It's definitely a place to check out on your way there.
Stay tuned in the video to see us fish. We might get a big one, we might not. We're gonna see what lakes are open, and we look forward to you guys smashing that like button.
That's right.
Catch some trout.
Yeah, dude. You ready for this?
Yes, I am.
This is our friend Edgar right here. He's
Hello,
part of the
guys.
Trip Rhinos group chain, and this is his first time in the Alabama Hills right here.
Love the gang.
What do you think of it so far?
Oh, it's great. This is a great place to come over and camp. You know, it's free, so that's the best part.
This is really cool. Look at this rock underneath us. It's literally just hanging in between these rocks. Like, I can get crushed any minute there's an earthquake. Wow, it's pretty cool.
All right, what's up, everybody? We're on our way to Arch Rock right now. We got everybody in the back, if you can see that. Casey's driving. And we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna show you guys what Arch Rock looks like.
Yep.
So like the video for that if you like the content and everything. So let's do it.
All right, guys, we just got to the parking spot for Arch Rock. We're following this trail right here that takes you straight there. Check it out. We have to follow all the way over there, and it's gonna be a lot of good times here.
It's gonna be so much fun, guys. You guys are gonna see it.
Yep.
Let's do it.
We're gonna go to the Arch Rock, following this trail all the way. It's gonna be an awesome time, and it's a really cool area, and you can see Mount Whitney perfectly. It's beautiful.
We made it.
We made it to the Arch Rock, guys. This is one of the stops that you can do here at Alabama Hills. You can see Mount Whitney in the background. It's perfect, it's beautiful. This is a cool place to be. You gotta check it out.
Yep, and you can climb on top of this too. Nice.
Lots to see here. You guys will love it. I mean, look at the view. How could you go wrong? You can't.
Yep. So we're gonna explore more around here, but this is one of the stops you should definitely take one day. All right, it's dinner time, you guys. And Jeremy, what's on the menu today?
All right, as you guys can see, we got some nice carne asada. We're gonna make some tacos with it. I'm cutting it up right now. Yeah, we don't get it pre-cut, but so good. This Casey always gets this stuff after he found it one time, and it's been a camp favorite. I don't know exactly what it's called. He'd have to tell you, but it's so good. Tacos while you're camping, can't get no better than that.
Oh yeah, you got that right, man. We got some street taco tortillas. We got all the good stuff, and nothing like eating when you're camping. I'm always more hungry and I'm camping all the time. So I mean, I'm excited for this. That thing is sizzling. All right guys, we finished making our carne asada tacos. Now we're just enjoying the sunset right here. Check out this view. We're eating and having beer, watching the sunset past Mount Whitney. Pretty nice. That's what's cool about the Alabama Hills. You can do almost anything here. It feels like got a lot of freedom here.
It's so great. It's nice here, guys. If you haven't been here, come check it out. If you watch our channel and you like camping and you like outdoor adventures and stuff like that, try to do what we do. If not, if you know about any cool places that we haven't been, let us know. Tell us in the comments, we'll go there. Maybe we'll meet you guys sometime. So let's just do it together. It's so much fun. I mean, look at the view.
Alright, I just got back from Diaz Lake. I didn't catch anything, but I caught a little fish, but it didn't come all the way to land. I just saw it like jump out of the water on my line, which kind of sucked, but tomorrow I might fish in the morning or something, and hopefully we'll get you guys a fish on video, maybe a catch and cook. We'll see.